In this short tutorial, you will learn how to blur an image in your Instagram story. The blur effect can add a special touch or direct attention to specific parts of the image. The process is simple and only requires a few steps. First, open the Instagram app on your device, then go to the top right corner of the screen where you will find the Story button. Tap on it, then select the camera, which will take you directly to the camera interface. Next, scroll through the available effects at the bottom of the screen until you find an option called Browse Effects. Tap on it. Now, in the Effects gallery, look for the search icon, tap it, and type Blur. You will notice that the blur option also appears under popular searches, making it easy to find. Once you enter blur, you will see a variety of different effects. Take your time to browse through these options and choose the effect that suits you. Some effects provide a subtle blur, while others offer more dramatic styles. After selecting your preferred effect, simply tap it to apply it to your camera view, and that's the tutorial done. If you have any questions about the process, feel free to ask in the comments section.